Hey, what's up, holders? So this time, Safelight, one of the fastest coin, my friend, this time in the crypto market. Safelight token, my friend, is moving completely on the moon, and this time the price is very cheap. You can see her new token, my friend, in the crypto market. 4 you can see this time 5.18%. The price is increasing now completely and the profit, my friend. What a change occurred, my friend, this time. And if we check out, my friends, the market cap, absolutely. This time you can see here fully diluted market cap, 5% increase now. The volume just in only, my friend, this is the start of month, so especially the short time holders, they make a very good profit. And absolutely this time you can see here 11.80% they falls down. So but this is the start of month, definitely they falls down. But I hope, my friend, at the mid of month they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. Let's see, my friend, some more detail. This is new crypto coin, my friend, this time in the crypto market. So absolutely people are investing very fastly. You can see this time on the chart result of last 7 days, my friend, is unbelievable. You can see here completely take a very good short jump, my friend, especially on the start of this week. Unbelievable change occur, my friend. I hope in upcoming days, if they're moving like this, then absolutely, my friend, just in only in August, my friends, they give you $1, my friend. I hope at the end of this month, at the end of this year, I hope in 2022, in the start of 2022, I hope they give you $1 to $2. So it's possible, my friends, to they hit easily. So Safelight, all holder, if you are already invested, then keep holding, don't sell it. There is no option to use starting selling, absolutely, because Safe Moon is make you millionaire just in only in the 1 year, my friend. So kindly hold it, don't sell it. There is no option. Yeah, and if you are new, then kindly invest. This is very good opportunity, my friends. This is very good for all of you to you invest in a Safelight. Absolutely, they make you millionaire. So hope you understand, all of you. This is the one of the fast token, my friend, this time in the crypto market. So don't miss this chance. The price is very cheap. This time you can see $0.00001 just in only the price. So kindly invest now. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much.